Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to print a book from the Learning Center. Please take note that you need to be logged into the Learning Center as a user and not just logged in as a guest. From the home page, navigate into the book you want to print. As an example, we will click on the Best Practice Guidelines book and then the Healthcare Practice Management book. Once you're in the book, click on the Administration menu tab that is on the left-hand side of the screen. In the menu, click on Print Book. Take note that the Print Book option is only available for Guideline books. Alternatively, you can choose to only print the chapter you're in by clicking on Print this chapter. A pop-up window will open at the top of the screen with another link Print Book. In this print screen, choose your printer. Now, click on More Settings. Set the paper size at A4, the margins at default, and the paper scale at 90%, which will ensure that the content will fit onto the pages. To save yourself some paper, remember to click on the option to print on both sides of the pages. After you're done with the settings, click on the Print button.